In northern India, officials are investigating why mothers in over 100 villages have given birth to only baby boys and not one single baby girl in the last 3 months. Official data released last week showed some 950 children were born across 500 villages in Uttarakhand, a state's Uttarkashi district.
Among the 200 births in 132 villages, there were no female babies. Neha Punya has more on this disturbing trend.
This incident has been reported in the Uttarkashi district in the North Indian state of Uttarakhand, where in the last 3 months in 132 villages, officials have found that no girl children were born, and on closer inspection they found that in 16 of these villages no girls were born in the last 6 months. Now officials have sounded an alarm. They've marked these areas as red zones and have ordered a detailed probe. Officials say that it may just be a coincidence that this has happened, but activists say that it doesn't look like that. There is the possibility of female feticide having been practiced in these areas. This was outlawed nearly 24 years ago, but it continues to be practiced many times in clinics that have hoardings that say we will not carry out sex determination tests, but do so anyway. In many cases, parents take home female girl child from hospitals and then they're known to kill them and bury them quietly. In fact, a 2011 Lancet study said that 12 million female fetuses were aborted in the previous 3 decades. And the reason for this is that in many instances, cultural preferences ensure that families prefer male children over female. The reason for this is that often property passes from parents to their sons and not daughters. Many families still have to pay dowries for the marriages of their daughters, which is why they prefer to have sons instead. And many parents also feel that their family name will be carried forward by their male child and not their female child, which is why these practices are still being seen in many parts of the country.